Ye mo bibi akwa ba edibade okoso enesu biem ye hia e wode okoso na ne de eye soronko kra ene ye besua de frisi ye nyampanyefo titiro pa ofie ha omo ba be kire ade na me no ya afamu aba ne ye de aboye bra eye odihie na na meni se munim no dada ma me wotufu keke chese counselor papa bi a osanye musician na fe ye wie no no ne ye papa ya de nyina Reverend Matthias aye Eternal Light Ministry eye panyini pa ne ye betwetwe nkomo na ne de ye ka kra ne say who is a fake pastor wani ye pastor wonye papa na ne mpanyifo ebe ma me no ye ni ada ho wate ne yetimi akwa asoro pa na daachi so da ahini enum no emmo ye me no yetimi atena Range Rover wo ho nya asase so ne ye ba betena papa akwaba
yeah
mami akwaba
ya wonto umo ye fedro
mami be kan de ntia
ene me say me need se me hia wo isa se u se nyame abode ye fe na wo ka mo ye fe radin shira wo no ma wo show ye kese pa
amen amen daddy ye ka bibi we reverend the best start e wo so we ya o se nyame afrem phone number no so ya adwene ho ache ye nim phone number koro tinka wa ba ye ka so be ye real man of God a nyame frɛ no kora no eye die no bete na wo hu se nyame afrɛ wampa enye kom no beti ma fa Bible se wo ko preach se nyame afrɛ wo ananya asem bi nti aso nyame afrɛ wo why a reverend die nka kire ye mu nyame frɛ wa eye den na motene ne se wa
okay. Now I will want to refer to scriptures because what we are talking about has everything to do with the Bible. So I will want to refer to Deuteronomy chapter 18. Let me start reading from verse 15 downwards. It says, Moses continued, the Lord your God will raise up for you a prophet like me from amongst your fellow Israelites. You must listen to him, for this is what you yourselves requested for. That the Lord. Good. Now, the reason why God starts to use people to stand in between him and people all started from time ana nyame akoyi ne ma efre kwasomo koboshe asase so. When they got to the desert of Sinai, ho nyame yi ni hundi echre papa, so I will mix it. So God wants to speak with his people. And then he called Moses that Moses should assemble the people so that all of them should meet at Mount Sinai. Now, when they got there, and then God began to show up, Bible says they saw the light, they saw the fire, they heard the sound, and the people couldn't stand it. What even scared them the most is that nobody is supposed to see God, because when you see him, you will die.
Papa, wait a minute, uhunyame ya obewu. But obisu timi kase wa uhunyame. Ene ne tonsa kora didi obi timi kase na otene papa nsa ni fa so benkunso a one na ekire ne se koye we. Na sese de wo kan che se nyankopon no kora na ase wa ye chese na body no hu ai se wia. Untimi hu ni sei. Enti omo se ne papa timi di obi visa man ne so fa mbrani. Na papa ni di visa ne ye de she ne semansa. Oba obechiro se o papa me call me papa ho nkomo ye di odo visa ama menti. Betu ya se ne fa visa ne ma. Asemi
I will come there, but you see, before you can see the fake of the original, you need to know the original. Okay. Because a lot of time people try to look for who is a fake pastor, but they don't take their time to know who is a good or a genuine or a true prophet or a true man of God. If you know who the true man of God is, then that truth that you know will set you free from all the fake ones. All right. So because people are not able to, they fear that when they get closer to God, they will die. So then they requested that God should choose one man among them to deal with, so that later the person will come and tell them whatever message or whatever commandment or whatever decrees that God want them to live by. That's how come he chose Moses.
Okay. Mommy.
Medofo.
Enen komo twetwe modu. Na ya asem so e hayen. Cause when nya so papa ankwa da chi bi no ohu be ye mobo.
Sure.
Na ye bisa say, "Hwan kra na ye pastor wo ye papa?" Ana prophet papa ne de onye papa. Wadwen kire wo ho ne say.
Medofo meda se. Na mi chi ahwefo nyina. Koso hwe. Deɛ Eko ne rade be ye okese pa. Medofo. Ye papa di ka se go se bibia ye original na ye fake. Ye counterfeit ne ye original. Ye tuntum ne ye fitaa. Ye han ne ye sum. So wakase obi your original ana obi nyankopon afre obi a ne ye be mo so ni pa nyankopon afre no me kai se bible na obi rekoni niwe emi se Yona nyankopon ka chane se onko kana sem e wo onko ni niwe no onko kana sem wo Yona ya so den enti kan ni pa wo sa ship ni mu nyina ka wozenke okworeko okogu esa ne se onipa ba ko nyame afre ni nti me kai se na Joseph wo wurem ana da David na David wo wurem Ewrade ma wo kofa ne bae ono bekum wo be anointing no ne Ewrade di ni se hene na David be ye nyama bebre me Ewrade enne ye hwe se nipa he na wotse Ewrade ne
Voice no.
Good. No. Nipa he ena Ewrade da ne ho adi kire wo. Nipa he ena wo ma wo ho kwan ma Ewrade eyusi wo. Na nipa he so afakwa ni wo Ghana sebe me ka se osofo dress you. But osofo a ode ne ho beto ho ebe na makọ evangelism akọ ha akọ kenyame asem aka asem a ede nkwaje ebebre onipa debia prosperity Ewrade ma wo sika Ewrade ma wo visa Ewrade ma obema me showa obema bi ba wa kwemu ohye eze ofiabrochiri na eba se Ghana fo merema ne dem so oje this abrochiri fo na wo this way medrofo yeka osofo a okan ensem a ede nkwaji beba onipa brabo sister yebenya ka yebenya nyama wiase ejapadini na adanyi wo hire wo kra efa so benye wo so o se duama ba no ene bi de behu dua koro sabe se me ba wa sorry na wo preach nyame asem na sabe makobo aguaman na kwache mi se Ewrade se aguaman bon enye o se ye misa osoro hini ene ne tere ne kane na me ka ho nyina o de beka ye ho eti se me bo abra o kire me se me mo abra papa be so Ewrade ani a Ewrade be ma me ka se me bo abrabo a eso Ewrade ani a Ewrade be ma me visa se me bo abrabo e be so Ewrade ani a na me pe bia Ewrade be ya ma me ebi a che ne be che nanso enye den a ebebem sa onipa etesen ka da bia wo da fem na munumuni na wo de Ewrade ase esan se ye to enframa aka ye mu bi wo ye nye sika ne de atuaka na se u jije sika fi nkrofo hoi ahe na wo de na Ewrade na ka sakese shoes sakese coat akese mi wa so mo brofo wa so de ni ma wo hia moa obi wo ha mi obedia dakora e dima no na ne kakro kra no wo san rewere wo ne nsem no wo san ji na wutim ne kom obi wo kwa de mitie ba ko bi a na ye mahometew o se me wo sika se na se manfa ma se nyame wa so de ngo na members no so kadi na echi etese wo sika hye wo be kwa kofa ba ye gunyame ani mase eti nyame se nya ye de mi kesi so ne se aba no e na wo di behu etua no ne ye no niama na ekoso no eno na ade behu se oyi oyo original oyi onye original na sana behu no na onipa wo so watena se aka Bible waka nyame asem se nyame asem sese nyame asem sese nyame asem sese Bible se nyama ye ni na ho sa abo
If I shall be a mission, you will bag.
Brother, and not so beautiful.
Not everybody shall see about Queen Wayne and say.
Bra, said your time about Mesa, Etia Jimmy fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Really, no, this offending now.
Bra, and make us a midi time about Mesa Huadansia, Riasinina Ebetemenka, 87 malaria, where granny time about Mesa.
And you go, dear, no more to want to meet any deal. What granny time about Mesa? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. The one ma for down for any aquada when you fear to me, and some of the total about Mr. Gravino. Shut a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
And Crossway, food and drug board for Agiatu. Kayo, the time near TIME. Time about Mesa. I feel malaria give a other diva a woman, ever trouble.
So what about what your papa Piana? You want to say, Bema way.
Yeah, this is my secret. Give us P capsules. Pema, I want to come from now on to me, but to my ding one pen. Give us P capsules. Over do us, Mama. Oh no, enemy lawyer.
Ah, and to lawyer no show bottom. Are you bro? Then I found upon a permission about Chiamua as a Niji.
What's
No. Need a nephew, I can't wait. A friend give us coal capsules. Say yes, is Yara and the wall swore. Coal could do nip a dream when in our posa a mamma and Tima Wunja would name you. Who don't give us coal capsules, obey your free.
lawyer?
Give us coal capsules.
And I give us P capsules.
Hey, and they give us free.
Obey Chinasuma.
And men are what if you do what you do, Cronquan, Efa. Give us core capsules. A pain for a batter, one more menu for an inquadawin if you do me an income.
Mrs. said, "Dear Marco Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, I could with the Trumancasa, and to me come in Sesame, or beyond Transima stroke, we hadn't come to them with you."
Some make a show now to home boy. Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic was saying what it is hypertension, or Barney Bema war, diabetes, Johnson Muyadie, Coco, make Canimajadie.
Oba Missy Jane and Nancy, Mamma, see a man Casimubuyano, Greenfield Adaroma, and Oma Trauma name, in no Packasi and Yan, the Spana Corda Yajma was an antibium.
Greenfield were ultra modern laboratory, any diagnosing machine, what the scanning human system no was signed on a Jinkwa Gallic Plus, a boosted immune system, na sign AMA BP, or be a halitosis, and Nankambani one and Numuno, on Fanco Greenfield, no betting is say, Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. One more Nungwa Adogon last stop Estate Junction. For 0243 983906 and now 0261 651898.
Greenfield.
God is our healer.
Greenfield.
Your last hope.
Yako abaje krato aba afelu watina so wo ejumadi din Deɛ Eko enne ko matwetwe ye bi sakora ne se pastor so for de he wo ya papa na onye papa ye ni penifo etwetwe komo na ne wo motu ye fo ankasa na nti hai ma afa bebira ankasa na ne free na ekwe no de oye papa ne de onye papa na bible ni ibesua pa ntu so ati statistic bible pa na sa nyansa ni nyina no book na eda ho sa na bibia ewo papa.
Hello, my dear.
Reverend BBA, fake prophets na ankasa. My kasa obo niema bebre. Sometimes what TV ho. What no niema bebra, wo a woni ani kura. What mo say, I say adidi enkoyi. Bitini si wo so ma wo say ade enkoyi. Why you so free? Asofu binom esu. Etime ye mo so wo monye, o mo ye fake ana so mo ye fake.
Now, there are three ways would determine who a true prophet or a fake prophet is. Who is a prophet? A prophet is a messenger from God, okay? Or like I've said from the beginning, good. Now, so it is the prophecy, the authenticity of that prophecy that makes him genuine or not one. Or prophesy ebemwana, does it come to pass? Number two, Asamna Okayeno, does he have any relationship with, can we find it in the Bible? Okay. Number three, his personal life, is he living in love? Okay. If you have questions about all these three areas, then you can say this one is a false prophet. why is this one a false prophet? Now, it is God who decided to call a man to be in between he and his children, who will pass on information to his people. Okay, so we call them prophets. That does not mean that we don't have other people who also do the same thing for other gods. Okay, we have Baal prophets, we have witch doctor prophets, we have voodoo prophets, we have all kinds of prophets. Where they come from, they also see them as genuine. Good. That is why I'm coming. So when we come into the children of God, God has dealt with us, especially what our prophets should do. One, they are the watchmen of God.
Reverend, we the nam pese me bisa TV. O konsori bebre mu a ana se nye nsori mpo ne yekuma ye hubu TV so. A na mo twabo. A enu ehun hira wo ho. Obi timi start $2,000. Etimi ba bedroom lowest no kai 500 Ghana cedi. Enti pese me hu say wo mo mu tua $2,000 no. Nyankopon wo hira kese bi ode ma mo ana se sika no nipa ne yi no timi se wo su. Enso wo se wo yi wani a wo hu sofi. Enhira kese bi ta chira na asa den because enu nti ama nipa bebre ntimi nkwa sorry.
The blessing of God is not something you can buy with money. You can't buy the blessing of God with money. But I think that what is going on, or what we are seeing, is like lack of knowledge. I see pastors trying to merge free will giving with fundraising, with prophetic giving, with covenant giving. When somebody wants to make a covenant giving, he decides how much he will want to make. When somebody wants to give a free will giving, he decides how much he wants to give. Okay, but it is only when you are doing fundraising, and then you can say, oh, let 2,000 people come, let 3,000 people come. But if it has to do with the blessing of God, a good pastor or a true pastor can along the line also become a false pastor. When you allow this world to take over your heart, when the love of money, when the love of pleasure, when the love of this world, these things, cars, houses, you begin to chase after those things will pull your heart away from God. So even though you can be a good prophet, a good man of God, a good bishop, whatever from the beginning, but along the line, before you realize, then you begin to know them. Okay, and what is also going on, we Christians, shouldn't be too much, no, we shouldn't be too much surprised, because the true man of God, Jesus Christ, in Matthew chapter 24, he said, in the latter days, these days we are in, he said, false prophets will arise. What is the first thing they will do? Deception. They will deceive many. They will even deceive to the point that the true children of God, when they are not even careful, they themselves also will be deceived.
So, fake
fake miracle. Can't you imagine when Moses went to Pharaoh, he put his rod down. They call a magician to do the same.
What for? What TV? That's it, then we are fake. Young Quajin Krato about for ye bar. Yes,
you ye do be asked the back as if he so and abu. And in an say, a Jumequa, ye 2 and West one say, what Pum did want some Nadana Daniel, ye beshe, near Timia Buamana Cosu, Eddie Amawo, and Nuntina Danny Daniel Wheel Casafi so, and yet you may could be a cassette time, Heba Center for young and out and can. You will be a honor on the dice one in Ansan Cobeda, sorry, and I said, and how you know was as season say, and KB and Conamana won't say, and Yanni tea tie and Yanni tea tie pan a pan, Nina watimi agyae obi titimi ye ne ya ma efe bonse na ne hwene mu nyina eso ne nsuo onadofo a otimi nka so ha oni amane we bi e wo so a adure betimi abo watu na se na tipaye a ha wo ohwene mu ya na eso ne nsuo ma ne nyina timi afiri wade ama wo no time herbal mixture time onyankopɔn tumi na ya resa ɔde hya ya hamba mu sɛ ye ni duaba na fa ha no ensa yare no time herbal mixture mu na de sa ahode no de adua enti yɛse sɛ wonom a abrɛ na wonom ye na ahyase adwuma ahyase kenyawo ɛno nti time herbal mixture de yɛse mmerɛ a ebetu a 3D yare anase malaria ase de fi nipadua no mu mmerɛ na enie sabi a wotimi nkan na akɔ Lancet chemical shop pharmacy na nso akwakwaje wo de na atimi aboa no apɔmuden ho asɛm atimi akɔso onuadɔfoɔ okɔ na asɔ akɔtobia no mahwɛ sɛ yɛatwerɛ time time de aguso na afi nso aboa tontom no ɛda ho a mesɔsɔ kɔtɔ na saa chance de we ebi eni ho a mesɔrɔ na sɛ wagyae tɔ ɛnam sɛ entra mo bi mfa sɔkɔre ɛma na no akyenkyena ɛno nti na mekanfo time eba mehyade ama sɛ onya bi na asɛ wono mu a ɛbɛboa wɔ yɛsi time eba center for sɛ wɔpɛ sɛ ɔba yaso yɛ na abetu yɛndro no bi ɛkɔkɔtɔn a mesɔrɔ ɔbɛba K&G center Mbrom Abidja house wo Kumasi saa nso na yɛ atonsu munako junction yɛ no wo Kumasi atonsu munako junction ɛyɛ no so wo Kumasi wokɔ hɔ no mu a dodo apɛ bia nso no wobɛnya bi ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛwɔ K&G aso yɛ woduru hɔ no na bisa sɛ wopɛ K&G for aso yɛ ɛwɔ munako junction obi abɛkyerɛ hɔ na akɔkɔ gye dodo na atimi akɔtɔn na nso watimi nya mu mfaso bebre afei nso aduru afrɛ no K&G ɛba capsules no ɛno ho asɛm na aduru so a me no ɛba bɛkan K&G ɛba capsules no nuadɔfoɔ wonya bi na sɛ wono mu ɛno ɛna ɛbɛboa wɔ mɛse wonom K&G ɛba capsules so a ɛbɛboa bi stew mu system niema bi a wɔ nipadua no ma ayɛ korankoro bi wɔ nipadua no mu ɛbɛboa tu na se koraa woyɛ bɛma onu ɔba bi kodi mpa so agro bi ɛnde adeɛ kyinya na na sɛ free na mienu ɛkɔ no wɔn sɛ nneɛma nkoyi wɔ sɛ ɔbɛma ho a mesrɛ no sase no nom K&G ɛba capsules na ɛmboa ɛno na ɛbɛboa tu na se korakora ɛde ama wɔ na nso watimi ade ho ɛntena se na bɛma deɛ ɛnam yare anasɛ yare bi magye wobɛma ɛmfa mbɔsoɔ yɛ ɔba bi nso wɔ so ɔno ne bɛma hyia mu anasɛ wɔ sɛ yɛfiri mde ɔwareɛ wɔnya mpa so ani gye da ne nyinaa ne sɛ wɔnya ani gya ntenka bi a ɛdɛn ɛwɔ mu sɛ ɔnom K&G ɛba capsules a ɛboa bi stew mu system no ɛde saa nneɛma wɔ nyina ɛkyɛ ɔkwa sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔfrɛ na ne twetwe nkɔmɔ a na ma wobɛtumi afrɛ so so nie 0244 417 669 0503 869402 Bomodi aso be friend na netwe nkomo enchiremu bia nso apene ye de ama o mese dro pedudu atimi atu a K&G center Mbrom Abidja House Kumasi K&G center Mbrom Abidja House Kumasi okwadodo apebia benya bi atu ho sanso na ye atonsu munako junction mese so munako junction abisa so K&G for aso ye ya obi abetimi a kire oduru ho no so a dodo bi apɛ no obenya bi atimi atu ho opɛ ba akwa na se mienu Lancet chemical shop pharmacy herbal shop na se drugstore bia mu ɛho na akwakwaje wo de na nso atimi akɔnonom ye da obi bia ase na wɔtwe sɛ no ye besan ye hia bu apomuden dwumadie so ye da mo ase makra mo
ya kwa jinkratso aba afi no hwedwumadie din de Deɛ Eko ene nkomo twetwe de ye ka ho asem kwa na se who is a fake pastor hwan ni ye pastor papa ni hwan ni enye papa ma fake pastor as ya bobo mu adi ho abobo a afoto be no de be ma ya yehwe wo fake pastors ho
medase medofa wo hwe show yi de ye futu ni nyansa nkwa de fafi medofo onyankopon ni bi eduewu o say lack of knowledge my people perish ni bia ye ni ntina ma ye ne na ma ye bre fenya mi asem na su asiase ne hu ja se makota anonje no yo paka makota anonje no yo ta sisa ebe bi no anonje no oni obeye de esa mwa nyache na obeko but erade de otewafebo erade de onsisanta oni tinye di nhamo wo sofo a wo ne neti asori dem ko bedi nhamo wo beko de bi no wo se maada wo beye ni den enti hwe erade asam na wo kokon tsena wo na tsena erade asem na sa wo ko erade din a ebre mu aye tin no obi san na wa behyew.
Yes my dear.
Yeah, fake pastors ene de wo me yesunya de omo hweyen afutu be no de be mayen efa fake pastors ho
Afutu a me de be ma your listeners ne say fake pastors ne say here this is their season.
And his season
This is their time during the latter time they will rise up.
Okay.
These are the days when people out of the love for money, pride of life, the lust of the flesh, the lust of the eye. People want to do anything to succeed. And I tell you, a lot of people think it is church. Because you get the money and you don't account to anybody. You charge any fee you want to charge.
No VAT. You don't have headquarters. Everything belongs to you and your family.
You know, but that notwithstanding, there are good churches. There are good pastors. There are good prophets. Don't play down on it. Don't say because there are fake prophets and fake pastors, so you play down on good pastors. Then you have your own self to blame. There are good men of God. There are good churches. Okay? Now, why is that some of the prophets and the pastors these days are becoming money conscious, money conscious? They put themselves into many things. For example, like this show, TV show, a pastor will want to come on TV. How much does it cost him in a week? And now, we Christians, we cost it. When we don't see a man of God on TV, we think he's not a good pastor. We think he's colo. He's not trending. You don't see him on social media. You don't see him on Facebook. You don't see him on TV. So, pastors are forced. To be frank, Ghanaian Christians are forcing a lot of good pastors to become fake pastors. In concluding, what I want to say is that a child of God hears the voice of God.
A child of God hears the voice of God. Not just saying,
Spirit of discernment.
Papa nene.
Yes.
Aha, we say ultimi bompa ye pa se untimi nti sa de na nyame emfasa to me no enhye ye nyina yakomam. Na wo bompa ye wie kra na wo se nka wo twen kakra. Eni bi e wo ha se enya amen gigigige ne ye koi. Mesrew ene ye sunya de yankasa. Ye ma Bible no enye ya de nyina. Papa, Reverend Matthias.
Hello, my dear.
Oh, mommy, this year. Oh, thank you
Amen.
so much.
Amen. Until be a good man of God is very, very, very important.
Hane brebe ma yedi dwumadie asi. Dwumadie eyedie okọ. Mi ametina dwom midin edi Abena Ghana. Yeda aboafo asese maso yasen ema program ekoso. And atade kama ya ehye mi eye Grace Style GH. For say season 2 idie menye easy kura. Wo mo ma me ho ayefa nkasa. Na afeje say enne de nsuo bi ebesi ha menin se nsuo sa na e wo flavors wo mo. Charlie snack bar. Nsuo na e de say ese nwa kora na riri so twi manim. Ta se ne ye be hia e wo de yokoso. Me das.
Deɛ Eko, bedi mechi na obe wo Deɛ Eko. Deɛ Eko, bedi mechi na me ma wo Deɛ Eko. Deɛ Eko, bedi mechi na obe